How to fix Instagram I'm not a robot easily and fast. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find Instagram. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar and then click on it. Now right here you have to click on the data usage and make sure to disable all those options right here and enable them again. After that, go back, click on the storage, click on this clear data option and then click on clear cache. After that, you have to click on the open by default option, click on open supported links in this app and then choose always allow. After that, you have to do one last thing, which is go to the Play Store and update your Instagram. Then restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.